Hi, I'm Nino from Cinema 5D. As a cinematographer, I spend much of my year traveling the world for various shoots. And I can guarantee you one thing. Wherever you go to a rental house, production company or broadcaster, they will most likely have Sachtler tripods. Many of them are many decades old but still in use. I personally have worked with Sachtler for a long time, and the first upgrade I bought for my Manfrotto 501 was a Sachtler FSB 8 as soon as I could afford it when I started out as a freelancer. I later moved on to a Cine 7+7 tripod for bigger cameras, a version of the Video 18 optimized for cinema applications. Sachtler's most popular 100mm tripod, and actually the best-selling ENG tripod head of all time, is the Video 18 S1, now replaced by the Video 18 S2 version. The original is being used by everyone and their mum in all kinds of conditions, from shoots in the Arctic to the hottest deserts. The fact that it still performs evenly and precisely in such different conditions is a great testament to its quality, especially compared to cheaper Asian knockoff products that are on the market as well. From the outside, apart from the different name on the body, nothing has changed about the new Video 18. What's new though is an increased payload of 4 kilograms or 8.8 pounds. The Video 18 S2 can now take up to 20 kilograms or 44.1 pounds. It can also take very lightweight cameras from around 2 kilograms or 4 pounds, for example a DSLR. This makes it extremely versatile, and in times like these, when many of us are often changing the size of their rigs depending on the job, it's definitely welcome to have one tripod that fits all the needs. Everything else you still find in the right places. The touch-and-go plate system allows you to snap in a camera easily. In my case, I prefer to have it attached to a Sony-style VCT plate for quick changing between shoulder and tripod use. And a 16-step counterbalance that enables you to properly balance the camera while you adjust the sliding plate to find the perfect balance point. Then you adjust the vertical and horizontal drag to select the resistance you want for your pan or tilt. And of course, there's a payload high and low switch depending on whether you're using it with a lighter or heavier rig. When you buy a Video 18 S2 system, you also get Sachtler's new speed level clamp for free, an easy way to level your tripod by simply twisting and moving the clamp. This is a nice add-on and in my opinion a true innovation, because leveling the tripod head is the one thing you have to do every single time you move the tripod on set. And by saving a few seconds here and there, it will definitely add up over a whole shooting day. All in all, the Video 18 S2 is an upgrade to an extremely popular product that is now even more versatile and usable for camera rigs that are 4 kilograms or 8.8 pounds heavier than before. It's still as pricey as its predecessor. However, don't forget that a decent tripod like this can last an entire career. It's probably the one purchase you won't have to do ever again if you treat it nicely. Equally to professional high-end lenses, I consider tripods to be an investment that lasts a lifetime.